Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. I'm sitting here in the parent pickup line waiting to pick up my daughter from school, and I said, you know what, let me just go ahead and do a quick video introducing what I'll be cooking today. And in today's video I will be sharing a recipe for cream of mushroom chicken. This is going to be so good. I know you guys will enjoy it. But before we get started, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Now let's jump right in. Okay guys, so the recipe is super simple. I already have my chicken here seasoned, and I'll show you how I did it in just a second. I have 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, and I'll be using some onions and bell peppers. That's it. Let's get started. So here I have about 7 chicken thighs. I did went ahead and remove the skin, washed in lemon juice, and pat dry. You could use whatever part of the chicken that you like. I will be using some flaxseed oil. You could also use whatever oil that you like. For the seasonings, I have poultry seasoning, complete seasoning, chicken bouillon, garlic and onion powder, seasoned salt, smoked paprika, and some black pepper. What I did was, combine all of the seasonings, and then I moisturized that chicken with some oil and coat the chicken really well with the seasonings. I then allow this to marinate for about 2 hours before I get started. Now let's prep the cream of mushroom. What I'll be doing here is adding both to a bowl, and I'll add some water here just to loosen it up a bit so that we can, distribute it easily onto the chicken. Once we are done, we will add some smoked paprika here just to add a bit of color to it. I don't know about you guys, but I like color in my food. It looks more appetizing, and the presentation is way more, beautiful. So I liked anything that I can add color to. I always add color to my food unless it's something that was made to be, white in color or, things like that. So once we're done, we'll set this aside until we're ready for it later. So here in my preheated pot, I did add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and now I place my chicken thighs in here. We just want to sear them and give them a nice golden brown color on both sides before we place them in the oven. So we will do this, and then we'll carry on with the same step until we're all done. Once we're done searing our chicken, we'll place it into our baking dish, and then we'll add our onions and bell peppers. Onions and bell peppers are optional. You do not have to add this. I just like the flavors of it, and I love the presentation, the look of it as well. Anything I can do to kick my dish up a notch, I will go that extra step. Then we will add our cream of mushroom and just move the chicken around a bit so that some can seep down into the bottom. It will seep down anyway as it bakes, but we can help it out a bit. And then we will cover this and place this in a 375-degree oven for about 2 hours. When we're done, this chicken is going to be so tender and falling off the bone. It will be amazing. After about 2 hours, this is how the chicken is looking. Now we'll remove our foil wrap and we'll place this back into the oven for about 10 minutes just so it can brown up a bit. And after about 2 hours and 10 minutes, our chicken is finally done. All I did was garnish with some fresh parsley, and that's it. This is so simple and easy to make, and it's the perfect dinner idea. You can have it with rice, potatoes, pasta, whatever. It is so versatile. It can go with almost anything. I did pair mine up with some boiled cassava, better known as yuca, and it was absolutely divine. I really enjoyed this dish, and I hope you guys give the recipe a try. But I could not leave without showing you guys how tender the chicken was. Look at that, guys. I am literally just pulling it apart with my fork with no effort whatsoever. This here is pure perfection. Like, the chicken was melting in my mouth. And I really do hope you guys give this recipe a try. If you enjoy my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for me. I will be leaving all my ingredients and measurements down in the description box, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a good day and enjoy!